Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will show you how to create this makeup look, actually this eye makeup look. So this is like a very quick and super easy glam smoky eye look. It's very light, as you can see. It's not like your usual super dramatic smoky eye look. And the reason that I'm doing this video today is because I received like a lot of messages from you guys telling me that you want to see something that you can achieve in just maybe like in 2 minutes, probably, without using a lot of products. So for today's eye makeup look, you will be needing only 2 products. That will be a creamy eyeshadow or a creamy bronzer and a shimmer eyeshadow. You can also use a highlighter if you want, if you don't have any shimmer eyeshadows, and the different options I will show you in a bit. Okay, so if you guys want to know how I created this eye makeup look and also the products that I've used, then please keep on watching, and I do hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so now for the actual 2 products that you need to create this soft glam smoky eye look. You have like a few options that you can use. So you will definitely be needing a cream bronzer or a cream eyeshadow. For example, in today's video or for today's makeup look, I use this highlight and contour palette from NYX Cosmetics, and I've used this cream bronzer. Another great option will be as well from NYX Cosmetics, this Wonder Stick, and you can use the darker shade, or you can use one of these eyeshadow sticks from Laura Mercier. This one is in the shade Caramel, and it's super, you know, it's like a brown color. Or you can go with Cocoa. This is a little bit darker and slightly, but very slightly metallic, just a little bit, but this is also a very good option. Now for your shimmer part, I will suggest, well, actually you can go with any shimmer color that you like, but if you're on a budget, for example, and you know, you can and you want to be smart, then I have 2 options. Both of them are highlight palettes. So this one is from Sassy Beauty, and it has 4 different highlighters, very beautiful. Or this one by Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter palette, as well, 4 different shades. And for today's makeup look, I went and used this one. Okay, so let's just do the makeup now. For your reference, I've already applied some eyeshadow primer, and I went with this one by e.l.f. Cosmetics, but this is just optional. You just can go and use your concealer or foundation or nothing at all as well. So I'm gonna go with my brush and take some of the bronzer, and I'm just gonna go right here into my eyelid and slightly above my crease. If you want to make this look a little bit more darker, then go with darker cream bronzer. I'm going to use a smaller brush and go right here onto the lower lashes to give my eyes a little bit more of a definition. Now you can go with the same brush, you know, and just use a towel to clean it up, or go with a clean brush. And I'm gonna go and take from the Essence Pure Nude highlighter palette this shade, and I'm gonna go just on the top of some cream bronzer. And here, as I said, you can go and use any shimmer eyeshadow color that you have. It can be a blue one, it can be a purple one, a pink one. Just use whatever you like. Now, to finish off this look, you can either use some mascara, as I did, or some false lashes if you want to make it, you know, your look to be more dramatic. This is just your choice, but I'm just going to apply some mascara and I'll be right back. And this is the final look. I just add a little bit of a lipstick, and I went with MAC Cosmetics in Under the Covers, just a gorgeous lipstick. Anyway, so you guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I kept my promise when I said this is going to be a very quick Glam Smoky eye look, very light for every occasion. You can also wear it on you know, like an everyday makeup look. Just let me know in the comments below if you liked it, and yeah, I guess I'll see you on the next one. Bye.